Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to invite students to your class. This will allow you to assign lessons to your students so that they can log in and start working on them. Our first step is to make sure we're logged in. We know we're logged in once we see our avatar in the top right corner. So we'll head over to Classroom in the top banner and select Classes from the drop-down menu. This will display the list of our existing classes. We will now click the class that we would like to invite students to. So I'll click this first one here. If you do not have any students in your class, you will be brought to this page here. If you already have students in your class, you will be brought to the lesson planner page. To get to the students page, you just click the Students tab right next to lesson planner to begin adding students. There are 4 ways to invite students to your class. These options are located on the left side of the screen. You can invite via class code, via email, you can manually create accounts, or if you have students connected to your account already, you can add them from other classes. To invite students via class code, you can use the blue copy link button. This will copy this link so that you can share it with your students. Your students can then put this link into their browser and begin the account creation process and join your class. Your students can also scan this QR code with their devices for faster setup. To invite a student via email, you will first enter their first name, last name, and their email address, and click the blue Send Invitation button. You will get confirmation at the bottom that your email invitation has been sent. Your student can then use the email to create their account and join your class. If the invitation does not end up in your student's inbox, please ask them to check the other folders, as sometimes it can end up there. There is also the option to manually create accounts for your students and share the information with them. This is ideal for low literacy students or for students who do not have email addresses. You will enter the student's first and last name, create a username for them, and a password. Clicking the blue Create Account button in the bottom right corner will create the student's account. A pop-up will appear with the student's account information. Clicking Done will allow you to exit the screen. Our last option is for if we would like to add students from another class to this class. You will just check the box off next to the students you would like to add to this class and click the Add to Class button at the bottom of the screen. You'll get confirmation that these 3 students have been added to your class. Just a quick recap, you will first click Classroom and select Classes from the drop-down menu. You will select the class you'd like to invite students to, click the Students tab, and use the options on the left to start inviting students. That's it for this video on how to invite students. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.